We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the capital city of South Korea, which is a huge metropolis where modern skyscrapers, high-tech subways and pop culture meet Buddhist temples, palaces and street markets. Just for info and a sense of scale, the population is estimated at around 10 million. But anyhow, how do you go about pronouncing the name of this city? In Korean, it is pronounced something like, and this might not be 100% perfect, but close, Seoul. Seoul. But for some reason in English it is not pronounced like this at all, but rather Seoul. Just like the word soul, pretty much, Seoul. Seoul in Korean or Seoul in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce capital city names all around the world whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. See you there to learn more.